Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing bee makeup, so let's get right into it. So to start off the bee makeup, we're going to put on our primer and our e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. This is going to give us a really beautiful glowy look. And always make sure to let your primer dry, my friend. So now we're going to do just a little bit of light contour, so just right here, and spread it up a little bit right under the chin and spread it down. And don't worry, I'll blend this in a little bit better. I guess there was more on my brush than I thought. I like to put some right there, a little bit right here, and then I'm gonna contour my nose. So now we're gonna do some really light blush. And what we're gonna do is put it right here and right here, directly on the nose to give it a sun-kissed look, on the chin, a little here, and a little bit right here as well. And this is going to just do more of a sun-kissed, beautiful look. Now for the eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Heat Seeker palette. I am going to basically be going all over my eyelid with this beautiful yellow right here. And we're going to dip in with our finger so I get like the pigment I really, really want here. So just like this. And we're gonna build it up on our eye quite a bit. I'm gonna go in with this lighter color right here, directly on the inner corner. We're gonna bring it right up here as well and bring it down a little bit so it's a bit more of a transition color. So now we're gonna dip into that yellow with the blending brush just to kind of shape the eyelid a little bit more and to bring it out and build it up right there. Now we're gonna dip into this beautiful kind of shimmer right here, and we're gonna go right along the crease with it, just like that, and bring it out a little bit. Now we're gonna dip into this beautiful color with our finger, and we're gonna put it right here and spread it out a little bit, but not directly in the corner. Just keep it on the outer edge. And now we're gonna dip into this brown and just do a little bit of shape work here. So just like over here and up at the top as well, just to give it that extra shape. I'm going to take this angled brush and go into this shade right here, and we're going to do a little bit of eyeliner with it, just like that. All right, so I'm going to use this brush in that same color to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to put on some mascara, and then we're going to get into the honeycomb and the bee makeup. So our eye makeup is all done. We're going to take this yellow again, and we're going to put it kind of like right here. Lovely. I'm going to put a little bit of the gold on top as well, just to give it like this extra shimmer. So I have this honeycomb stencil, and we're basically just going to hold it up against here and put a darker brown over top and see how it turns out. All right, so here we go. Here goes nothing. So now I'm going to take the darker brown and go over a few spots. All right, let's take it off and see how we did. Did great. I love it. I think it's super cute. Now I'm going to do the same thing right up here. That one turned out even better. Now we're going to do another pattern just like that right here. All right, let's take it off. Very cool. I love it. Very cool. Now we're going to add some bees to our face with some eyelash glue. So I think a good spot for one is going to be like right here. Just going to use tweezers to apply it. And I'm going to probably press it there for like at least 10 seconds. That way it's got a good little hold. But it's super cute. Look at that. Definitely think we need one like right around here for sure. Let's try it. And I'm going to hold it there for a little bit. Hopefully it like sticks really well. I think we should do another one like right here. So I made this out of hot glue and then I painted it gold, and I'm going to have something coming down like that. I think right there would be a really nice spot. So, all right, so let's apply it. And I'm just going to hold it there for a little bit. I think this one might look good right here. I'm going to add this extra piece right here because I feel like it just really adds some character for some reason. So I'm going to put one more little bee right here, and then we're going to do some finishing touches, and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final result. What do we think? I totally love it. I think it turned out so wonderful. So yeah, I'm going to do a few little shorts with this, so make sure to go look at those. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!